Hello everyone and welcome to Momentum channel. My name is Mo, and in this video we're going to take a close look at a Canadian penny stock that is poised to benefit greatly from an upcoming multi-billion dollar drone package delivery market. We'll provide some context of the upcoming potential for this market, take a closer look at the company and introduce that to you. And lastly, we'll take a close look at the company and its stock. So let's get into it. The global package delivery drone market size is projected to reach $7.3 billion by 2027, exhibiting a compounding annual growth rate of 41.8% during the forecast period. It's worth mentioning that the widespread deployment of drones to deliver medical and food supplies amid the recent pandemic is expected to aid the market make substantial gains, as observed by Fortune Business Insights in its latest report titled Drone Package Delivery Market Size, Share and Pandemic Impact Analysis by type, by package size, by end use, and regional forecast for 2020 to 2027. The pandemic virus has forced people to maintain social distance to avoid contracting the infection, which has made the delivery of essential supplies difficult, particularly in remote regions. In response, several drone service companies have risen to the occasion and are supporting government efforts to provide aid to distressed areas. For example, the drone company Zipline has been delivering critical medical supplies to clinics in Ghana and Rwanda in Africa during the pandemic period. Here in Canada, the company Drone Delivery Canada, DDC, will be deploying its multi-rotor drone Sparrow to provide pandemic cargo to the Beausoleil First Nations community in Ontario. Similarly, in China, JD Logistics has been utilizing its drones to deliver commercial and medical cargo in the Hubei and Wuhan provinces. The pandemic has therefore given a booster shot to this market, escalating the adoption of unmanned aerial systems worldwide. But back to the topic of this video, I'm focusing on the Canadian company called Drone Delivery Canada, which can greatly benefit from this massive untapped market for the drone package delivery. Founded in 2014, Drone Delivery Canada has developed a proprietary and patented turnkey drone delivery solutions. The company is fully commercialized, operational, and revenue generating. Drone Delivery Canada has developed a drone delivery platform solution which is cost effective, highly scalable, and can provide next generation logistics services to various market sectors, including retail, e-commerce, parcel and post, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, mining, oil and gas, logistic companies, indigenous communities, and military and government agencies in Canada and internationally. The company is located in Vaughan, Ontario, with a state-of-the-art operations control center, an engineering lab, and its own advanced flight test range. Drone Delivery Canada has a vision of being the premier drone delivery company globally through its relentless focus on customers, employees, and safety, and by commercializing their technology to create new and innovative logistics platforms for companies and government agencies. You'd notice here the three scalable solutions offered by Drone Delivery Canada that meets all various cargo requirements with their rapidly expanding fleet of drones that is powered by their proprietary flight systems. The first one is Sparrow, and you can see here the details, the max speed, the maximum range, maximum payload, and other details. Next, they have Robin XL, it's higher maximum speed, and lastly they have Condor with its maximum performance speed of 120 kilometers per hour and a max range of 200 kilometers. Now, in a recent news, Drone Delivery Canada has announced that they have made some updates to their successful Condor testing. As you notice here, the company is pleased to announce that it has successfully completed further testing of their Condor, including testing as related to the cold weather performance, wind performance, cargo area temperature profiles, long duration flight testing, and aircraft altitude and position control tuning as part of their recent testing that has been done for Condor. It is worth also mentioning that pursuant to proposed Transport Canada regulations, the Condor would not require a formal aircraft type certification when operated in specific lower risk remote locations as intended. All right, so let us move on and take a look at the stock for Drone Delivery Canada. This company is traded on Toronto Stock Exchange Venture with ticker symbol FLT. And you can see in the last trading day, the last trading price for it was $1.37. So it's rather a penny stock. And in the last trading day, it was down by about 1.4%. Now, if we look at the recent ups and downs in terms of the price fluctuation and price volatility of the stock in the past 5 days, you could see how it was hovering at much higher levels, around 158, even closer to 159 or 160. But now it's hovering, and its last trading price is 137. Looking at the 1 month chart as well as 3 month charts, you'd notice that it actually reached the highest 52-week high price of $2.55 recently, but its 52-week low price was at 57 cents. So definitely has some way to go to reach its 52-week high, and also it's about double or the amount of what it was in the 52-week low price for that. In terms of the volume, you'd notice here that the volume of trading for this stock is at 1.88 million. The market cap for the company is at about $305 million in Canadian dollars. And if we look at the earnings per share, it is showing a negative earnings per share of 9 cents. So the company is loss making at this time. Nonetheless, they do have revenue. All right. Now, if you look at some of the insider trading activity over the past 6 months, there is not any incidents of insiders buying. So that's something for us to keep in mind. However, we've had about 1.5 million shares of insiders that have been sold. So that could be a little bit of definitely red flag, because usually you would hope to see that if the insiders of the company are, have strong belief in the company and are, believing that the company would grow over long term, they would not want to sell their stocks. In this case, we are seeing that, but there could be multiple reasons for that. So take it with a grain of salt, definitely. The company is a small company. You see, in terms of their company size, it's only showing about 5 employees, and it's in the hardware industry. Now, if you scroll further down and look at the analyst rating for this stock, currently this stock has a moderate buy based on 2 analysts ranking. There is 1 buy and 1 hold. In terms of the price targets based on analysts, again, the high price for this stock is at $2 projection. The low price for that is $1.50. And finally, the price in terms of their average price for that is $1.75. And this is for the next 12 months. Now, in terms of some of the major histories, you'd notice here, majority of them are by Scotia Capital as well as TD Securities for the amounts listed here. The highest amount was at 5,700. Now, as for me, I do not currently own shares of the Drone Delivery Canada, but definitely it's a intriguing company and one that I have it on my watch list, and I'm keeping an eye on it. I think this company has the potential to grow, but at the same time, if I decide to buy shares of FLT, I would probably do it in stages and gradually buy and add to my positions over time, and not really buying all the shares at one single purchase. But do let me know what you think, and whether you are buying into the Drone Delivery Canada stocks, or whether you already have it in your stock investment portfolio. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope this video was beneficial and provided you with some valuable information, getting to know more about this company and its prospects. If you found this video beneficial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from the video as well. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Momentum channel. Here on Momentum, we post weekly various videos about investing in the stock market, real estate, and other avenues, as well as financial planning and financial education. Thank you, and we hope to see you next time.